Hi everyone, today I have got some incredible kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking faster, easier and more fun. These tools are perfect for every kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more amazing finds. Let's get started. Gintan 9 in 1. This is a collapsible chopping board is the ultimate camping multi-tool. It's not just a cutting board, it's a colander for rinsing, a container for carrying and it folds flat to save space in your camping gear. Durable and lightweight, it's perfect for RV campers, outdoor cooking or even picnics. This all-in-one tool makes meal prep in the wild easier than ever. Eggshell opener, crack, peel and slice eggs in seconds with this all-in-one tool. The egg topper, cracker and peeler make egg mess-free and easy. Plus get perfect slices every time with the handheld egg slicer. A must-have kitchen gadget for egg lovers. Corpeel, peel corn in seconds with the Dreamfarm Corpeel. This easy-to-use mess-free tool strips kernels effortlessly, saving your time and hassle. Perfect for your kitchen. It's must-have for everyone who loves fresh corn on the cob. Nextmug, keep your coffee at the perfect temperature with the Nextmug. This self-heating mug ensures your drink stay warm all day long, so no more cold coffee. Stylish and functional. The perfect mug for every coffee lover. Mueller Pro Series. Unlock 10 kitchen tools in one with the Mueller Pro Series. From slicing to grating, this all-in-one gadget makes meal prep quick and easy. Save space and time while enjoying professional grade result in your kitchen. Digital measuring spoon. Get precise measurements every time with the digital measuring spoon. Weight up to 800 gram with 0.1 gram accuracy. Perfect for cooking, baking or daily meals. The LCD screen makes it easy to read, so you will always get the perfect portion. Mixing bowl. Upgrade your kitchen with the 26-piece mixing bowl set made from durable stainless steel. It includes airtight lids, greater attachments and non-slip bottoms for ultimate convenience. Perfect for mixing, serving and storing everything you need in one set. 4L electric composter. Turn food waste into garden fertilizer with ease using this 4L electric composter with 3 smart modes and a doorless design and auto cleaning feature. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor use. The intelligent LED display makes composting effortless, helping you go green with every meal. Electric pressure cooker. Cook faster and smarter with the instant pot dew 7 in 1. This all-in-one appliances functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker and more. With 800 plus recipes in the app and a sleek stainless steel design, it's the perfect tool for every kitchen. Fat separator. Say goodbye to greasy sauce with the fat separator with bottom release. Easily separate with from your gravy with its 4-cup capacity and also strainer. Plus the 3-in-1 vegetable peeler makes peeling, slicing and chewing effortless. The perfect tool for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in any of these gadgets, check out the links in the description below to buy them.